Welcome to our new tutorial video on creating car listing website with CLCar WordPress theme. CLCar undeniably an essential car listing WordPress theme for those who really want to build a top-notch car classifieds and car dealer website. This theme provides user-friendly features for efficiently managing vehicle listings with an effective pricing plans for different purposes. Let's have a look at the live demo appearance. The one-click feature efficiently manages vehicle listing by incorporating your demand type and model and sort out the filter of several amenities with price range and engine type. More search options are also available there. Car listings are presented in list, grid, map grid and list, and listing details. This is the listing archive page. It includes an advanced filters with vehicle name, make, categories, cities, a radius search, price range, etc. Each detailed page gives you comprehensive information about the car and offer essential details, including a description of car, branding information, general feature of car, dimension, its extra features, device safety, listing video, a map location, review and ratings, and many more. Now let's move to the listing map grid. Here you will get several car listings with a map with the grid view. Let's check out the view of listing map list with the same features of previous. There are three block pages named block grid, list, details. A detailed car description, categories, tags are available here. In the contact page, every probable communication methods like here you will get office address, contact numbers, email address. Also user can send message through it. There has also about us inner page to know more further. You will get two fantastic home pages available there of CLCar WordPress theme. Now let's learn the theme installation and import demo content. For this, go to the appearance first, then theme to add new theme. Click upload theme. For this, need to choose CLCar zip file very first and then install it. You will get this zip file while purchasing this. After it, click activate. Then it will require some plugins to begin installing plugins. For this, select all the plugins to install and apply. After installing, return to required plugins installer. Then select all of them again to activate and apply it. After this, go to the installed plugins, find RT Demo Importer and then click this to install demo contents. Read this warning before go forward. You have successfully completed your theme installation and this is your CLCar WordPress theme. Now, it's time to add categories and locations. For this, go to the classified listings and categories. In the add new category, set and type your preferred category's name. And then set the type of it with the price unit. Now save it. It will be displayed in this list here. For locations, select a location of your own. It will also be displayed in the list while saving. Now let's see how the users list their car. Go to the My Account dashboard first. We are now watching the numbers of total listings and published listings. For further, go to My Listing. Several car listings are added, but to add more, click Add Listing and get a listing form including ad types and categories. Choose one from here, listing logo, information, pricing, and many more. Also, you can add description, images, video URL with the contact details. If users have any social profiles, they can also add them if they want. Now, we will learn how to set membership pricing. For this, go to the pricing according to classified listing. Now click on Add New. Add a new package as you desired. Then set the pricing type with the price total number of ads. For promotions, you can set the numbers of promotions at types with the validity of dates. Also can select the categories with a description. Now publish it. Thus you can make some other packages for more by continuing same process, such as package 3, package 4, package 5, etc. Here, this is your pricing plan, package 1, 2 and 3, what you have made. Now, let's see how users buy membership packages. This is the dashboard and go to the membership report below. Click on Here option. Get a checkout page from with your own made packages. From these packages, choose package 1 for testing and fill up the billing details with name, country name and all sort of address and choose payment method. Now click Proceed to Payment. Get an invoice of your order, but the order status is showing pending here. It will not be completed until the admin confirm your order. To make it confirm, go to the payment history. This is the order ID. Click on it. Get the option, select completed and update it for saving. Now we will see how users promote their listing. Go to your account, then My Listing. There are several car ad listings. To promote these ads, click on it and get options for membership promotions such as Hot and Top. Select them and proceed to promotion. After saving, promotional tags will be added on top. Now time to edit your website with the Elementor easily. This is the interface of CLCar. Start editing with the section title. Type your own section title and section subtitle here. Then in the title section, if you want, you can change the color of your title, typography, and other options. Thus, you can edit the further title's color and typography. After finishing, click Update to save all of your customizations. Now go back to visit your site. This is how we can import demo and then monetize it, promote ads and edit with Elementor by the help of CLCar WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.